is Grand Central making an impact on our local life is I don't think it can actually be accurately estimated, because I think it is quite phenomenal. I think to have a dedicated railway service that goes from London's King's Cross to York non-stop has made a huge impact on everybody's way of thinking, and it has helped us create this identity of Heriot country and districts further north of here as well. It's as if it's a confirmation. Grand Central have made it a confirmation that Heriot country and the areas around us actually exist, and they are significant enough to be on an itinerary, a travel itinerary. Is hugely important. We now exist, and the entire country knows we do because of the Grand Central timetable.